prepared a policy and guidelines as per guidelines given by NISP, MHRD Innovation Cell. So this meeting is just to give some awareness and about policy and guidelines to the NISP members. Almost all the IAC members, most of the IAC members are involved in NISP also, as per principals meeting conducted by principal and other faculty members. Uh, Now, let me explain what is NISP and what is the role of NISP Pragati Engineering College. So, it is initiatives of MHRD's Innovation Cell, the NISP, National Innovation and Startup Policy. It is started in the year 2000, launched in the year 2019, and it focuses on this following headings. First one is Smart India Hackathon. Our college already we are doing this every year. We are getting applications from the students for their innovative ideas. That ideas are screened, and we ask them to present to the expert committee. The shortlisted projects will be submitting for Smart India Hackathon competition. Then we have established Institution Innovation Council in our college, IAC Pragati Engineering College. Almost all the faculties who are present in this meeting are members of this IAC, and that program is also going on. Then coming to the Atal ranking of institution on innovation achievements, it is called ARIIA. We already have applied for that Atal ranking. That is for academic year 1920. Whatever the achievements happened, that is submitted for Atal ranking. We are waiting for final result. Then National Innovation and Startup Policy 2019 for students and faculty. This is also established in our college. Work is under progress. We are uploading the details in NISP website. Very soon, final policy and guideline details will be given to faculty members and students. Then, related to international hackathon, we are in this process. After completion of all the formalities, we will encourage the students and faculty members to take part in international hackathon also. Coming to National Innovation and Startup Policy, it was established or launched by Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development on 11th September 2019. The main focus of this NISP is promoting innovation and startup culture among students as well as faculty members. So some novel ideas are invited. If novel ideas, if it is possible to convert it into business models that will be incubated by the higher education institutions, or especially in our college itself, then that will be that will be converted into enterprise. So that is the main theme of National Innovation and Startup Policy. Some of the thrust areas are identified by the MHRD Innovation Cell. There are 7 areas. Then how to promote this culture in the higher education institution. How to make the faculties and students to work in this area, that is innovation and startup. The first one is higher education institution strategies and uh, governance for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. The second one is there are again 3 subcategories in this. Second one is norms for faculty and students who are coming with innovation and startup ideas. So separate norms are framed for faculties as well as for students. If they come up with new ideas and if they come up with startup proposal, what are the supports can be provided by the college. So separate norms have been prepared. Our coordinator, Dr. Subodh Ponda sir, is taking care of all these things. Then third one is if faculty or student interested to start or to start an enterprise, the college is ready to give pre-incubation and incubation support. It is nothing but college will support for that business. So the college will accommodation also. Either faculty or student can start their business in the college itself, and once it is developed, they can take it to business ecosystem. Then coming to the IPR, the industrial property, uh, before that, before that, coming to the second category, norms for faculty and students. This subcategory, it is suppose some students or faculty coming with novel ideas. When it is converted into entrepreneurship, some incentives will be given by the institution. Then next one is separate norms will be prepared for faculty. They will be engaged with the college. They can take some break time. They can do their business. Uh, then coming to the intellectual property rights, depends on the inventor and institute. Either IPR will be given to the inventor, or it will be shared by institute and inventor. So that will be discussed with the inventor, and it will be planned. Then during a regular course, the pedagogy and learning interventions uh, will be used to promote innovation and startup culture among the students as well as faculty members. Finally, the performance, entrepreneurial performance will be measured, and assessments will be done for improvement. So these are the some of the thrust areas proposed by NIS. I request someone to take some screenshot of these things, sir, please.
Already taken, sir. I'm
Yes, sir.
taking all these things.
Yes, sir. Then some of the highlighting features of this policy is creating of innovation fund, either some other source or allocation of some fund from the college institution budget. Second one is academic break for a semester or year to work on their startups, both for faculties and students. They can take some break and they can do the business. Then some credits will be given who are working for working on innovative prototype or business models. Then some equity shares will be given, that still under progress. These details will be finalized soon for our college. It will be finalized soon. Then services to be offered by institution in lay of equity, fee-based or zero payment model. This also our coordinator is working on it. After discussion with our president, that is principal, it will be finalized. Then the National Innovation and Startup Policy of Pragati Engineering College, we have framed vision, mission, and some objectives. The vision of NISP PEC is to make Pragati Engineering College as one of the prominent innovation hub in the state and remarkable destination of startups point by 2030. In considering mission, to generate, support and cultivate vibrant startup ecosystem resulting in innovation and entrepreneurship driven employment and economic growth at Pragati Engineering College platform around. Short term objectives: development a good number of technology startups at the earliest, optimizing the concern through encourage, facilitate and support and utilization of available resources of Pragati Engineering College. Long-term objectives: implementation of innovative technology solution through well-accepted startups for high societal needs to make India self-reliant. So, the overall objectives of this innovation and startup policy of Pragati Engineering College, it is given here: to identify student innovators, promote and support them for sustaining business models. It works to cultivate the innovation ecosystem within the college and around to harness the entrepreneurial potential of the young minds. So main aim is we have to encourage the students and faculty members to come up with new ideas that will be converted into business models. Again, to impart as supportive and vibrant environment to stimulate the innovation attitude of the student entrepreneurs, startups, SME, and enable them to design technology-based products and services, leading to job creation for strengthening the regional and national economy. Coming to third one, exposure of maximum number of students to the concept of entrepreneurship, enhancement of entrepreneurial skills of students. Some detailed policy guidelines will be discussed soon after. So because it has to be finalized and it has to be approved by our president. After that, very soon we will be conducting one more meeting regarding this, in that it will be discussed. And some of the thrust areas as suggested by NISP, for our institution, we have done, we have framed some thrust areas. What are the works can be carried out? Already last meeting, principals are explained these things. Strategies and governance for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship, creating innovation pipeline and pathways for entrepreneurs, building organization capacity, human resources and incentives, collaboration, business relationship and knowledge exchange, norms for faculty and students driven innovations and startups, incentivizing faculty and students for entrepreneurship, norms for faculty startup, incubation and pre-incubation support, IP ownership rights for technologies developed at Pragati Engineering College, pedagogy and learning interventions for supporting innovations and startups, then entrepreneurial performance impact assessment. So this already we have discussed. Then tentative plan for next 5 years. This is what sir explained. On some of small modification has been done as per the suggestion given by president of NISP. So that has been made. That this already sir discussed with us. So as per the direction given by the president, I wanted to convey some NISP committee members. Here some of the IAC members are again nominated as NISP committee members. Dr. S. Sam Prasad sir, President, Dr. Subodh Panda sir, Coordinator, Mr. S. Vamsikiran sir, Co-Coordinator, myself, Innovation Ambassador, and Sri M. Srinivas sir, Industrialist, then Mr. Sesasai, Alumni Startup Entrepreneur, Kemnath Vamsi Krishna, again Alumni Entrepreneur, Mr. A. Raviteja, member from Civil, Mr. T. Prashant Jaikumar, member, Mr. Satyamohan, member, Mr. B. Rajesh, member,